video. So in today's video, I will be showing you some video clips that will tell you about the business ethics as the foundation of the corporate social responsibility and social responsibility towards employees, corporate social responsibility towards consumer and competitors, and the last one is the social responsibility towards the government and environment. So we will start our video presentation.
I am Princess and I will be talking about the lesson 1, which is business ethics and corporate social responsibility. So what is business ethics and corporate social responsibility? Well, business ethics in general are concerned with right and wrong, while corporate social responsibility focus on the company's impact on the environment and the community. So why organization use business ethics as part of its core values? What is the purpose? Because it supports vision, shape the culture, and reflect what the company's values. So how business became the foundation of CSR? Business ethics became the foundation of CSR because business ethics include the moral principles and standards that guide behavior in the world of business. Why being ethical comes first before practicing CSR? Well, it is very important to know the ethical before practicing about the corporate social responsibility, especially to the business, because doing good things and positive in the communities means providing the good impact to the society. So is there any connections between ethics and corporate social responsibility to the profit? Yes, true. Having ethics and CSR at the same time, you can gain more profit because through this, customers will be attracted of what company and organization do you have socially. So does CSR increase profit? Yes, through CSR possible that will increase companies' income. From the neoclassical economic point of view, put forward by Friedman 2009, the only one social responsibility for the business is to utilize its resources and activities to increase companies' profit. So why is it important to practice ethics in the business? It is very important to practice ethics in the business because it is an advantage in a company to have a good manner rather than have a bad manner. So how important business ethics and corporate social responsibility, especially to the business students? Well, it is very important because to aim to open having a responsibility being a leader of a business, having a capacity to create a moral values. So ethics is important in the organization. Yes, because ethics is a guiding principle. This increase productivity and overall employee morale. When employees complete work in a way that is based on honesty and integrity, the whole organization benefits. So in addition, ethical value helps us to guide more effectively because they promote good moral values within the industry. Through that, they can avoid unethical practices or manner, and it can be their guide to work effectively and just.
Hey everyone, my name is Christina Agustin, BSBA Major in Marketing Management. So, our discussion today is all about BASUK 2 or BASUK Lesson 2 is all about social responsibility toward the employees. So, employees is a true asset of organization. Employees is to ensure that they are happy and satisfied with their jobs. What is the importance of social responsibility toward the employees? Embracing social responsibility or policy goes a long way toward attracting and retaining customers, which is initial or essential to a company long-term success. Furthermore, many individuals will gladly pay a premium of goods, knowing the parts of the profit will channel toward social cause nurture to them. What is a social responsibility of business in contractual employee? So, more and more investor and consumer are factoring in the company's commitment to socially responsible practices before making an investment or purchase. What is responsibility for the management towards sexual harassment in the workplace? So employers can properly address employee complaints about sexual harassment without first understanding federal and state employment law about discrimination and harassment. An employee's initial responsibility is research law that apply the employment relationship to learn what constitutes discrimination and harassment. What is wage? So wage is a way to boost the economy. In fact, it is not supposed to bring about controversy because everybody knows that is the way go, it will help the economy. So awareness ethical issue is about the relationship to news coverage includes issues such as impartiality, objective, balance, bias, privacy, and public interest. Most generally, advertising practices as product placements and legal issues such as defamation. To apply moral principle and value, the principle and value the good sometimes with just matter of option or test of driven culture, religion, habit, circumstances, or environment. So, as a business owner or employer, it is your responsibility to pay your employees. You should ensure they receive less the minimum wage per hour for the states in which state in which your business operates. You should pay its employee the money owed them working a minimum pay period. This topic we can learn more or to improve my knowledge or to develop my skills about this topic, how to manage your business someday. Thank you and God bless all.
I'm Trisha May Alimorong. So now I will discuss to you about the lesson 3. It talks about the corporate social responsibility towards consumer and competitors. So in today's business environment, in a company must satisfy its customer. A firm must deliver its business promises as well as be honest in everyday interactions with customer or suppliers. So advertising is one of the most important when you're having in a business so that a customer get attention to buy your product. And if you have a business, you should know how to be a good and in sales talk so that your customer or buyer can get your attention to buy your product also. And you as a buyer, you need to see the good quality of your product so that you can't disappointed to buy to your product that you want. There are 4 benefits of the sum of the basic consumer rights. So first is to right to herd. So to have a consumer interest represented in the making and execution of the government policy. So second is the right to safety, to be protected against products production, processes and services. Third one is the right to information, and to be given realities expected to settle or on an educated decision and to ensure against under untrustworthy or promoting. So fourth is the right to choose. So to be able to select from range of products and services offered at the competitive prices with an assurance of a satisfactory quality. The social responsibility of the business and the transaction, it depends in the situation and also how you handle with your business to keep the social business running smoothly, and the importance of ethics in advertising and marketing in business. So it caused by acting ethically with their advertising in a company, of being responsible towards the needs of the customer, and especially the companies need to show they have the morals advertising to consumer because that makes it makes consumer feel to the company cares about the what they need. So now, what is price fixing scheme? Is a conspiracy between competitors and about the prices they will charge to customers or to pay the suppliers. And the price fixing in the competition, this is the typical of interest and gracefully it gives imposing a business in models to edge of over the contenders, and they're more significant. When can you say that a company involved in price fixing? So, at the point when the two elements, generally organizations, they do this to keep up revenues costs. So this lesson is very important when having a business, because you need to know the importance of having a business of what you are you sell in the products, because when you are in a business or you have a product, if you need more innovation of your product also, you need to have an advertising. Yes, the advertising is very important in when you having a business, because to get more attention of the buyer and or the consumer to buy your product also, so that your business have an succession. So that's all. Thank you.
Lesson 4. Social responsibility towards government and environment. Business operate in communities that either directly or indirectly affect their transactions. Companies interact with the various sectors in the larger community, and part of this is the government. So, in the perspective of a corporate social responsibility or CSR, many people feel that the government sector must also play a role in the business activities. Since the government is responsible for regulating the laws and upholding the security of a state, it is just right to engage them in the aspect of social responsibility. The government is considered an external stakeholder that indirectly affects the CSR practices of a corporation. The responsibility of the businesses in the government is they are need to pay their taxes, and they are need to follow all the policies and all the rules and regulations of the government. Next is the responsibility towards the environment. Social responsibility of companies was defined as responsibility to consumers, workers, stakeholders in the community. The aim of social responsibility is to create higher standard of living while preserving the profitability of the corporation. Companies, while creating profit, should also be aware that they can contribute to sustainable managing their operations in such as a way to enhance economic growth and increase competitiveness while ensuring environmental protection and promoting social responsibility, including consumers' interests. And all the businesses should be environmental friendly. Being responsible to our government and to our environment is it will help us to become our business successful. And that's all on lesson 4.
These lessons 1 to 4 are many significance that you can learn and gives you a knowledge, especially when you're having a business. It can also help to the organization. So guys, hope you have the learnings in our video presentation, and hope that you like our video and enjoy, and thank you for watching. Good day!